Now, I want to give you another, hopefully, tip that'll help you out. Because sometimes when a car doesn't start, a Ford vehicle especially, this goes basically to Fords. You have these diodes. That's what it's called, diode. And you see how this one's kind of crusty looking? I've cleaned it up before. And I've actually taken the things out before and had them actually where they're. I don't know if you can see that on there. Kind of shows like a diode thing. I don't know. It's not focusing real good. But, anyways, I pulled these out before and had them actually crusty. Like that crusty. Car wouldn't start. I mean, there's no reason for it not to start, but it wouldn't start. I pulled this out, cleaned it up, shot some contact spray in there, cleaner, electromotive cleaner, whatever, and cleaned the fitting up, that it goes into, best I could. Popped this back in, fired right off. So sometimes when you're having a problem, check. See if this thing's corroded up. If it is, hopefully it solves your problem. Because you know what it's like to chase stuff down sometimes. You can spend a lot of time doing it. And it's not a lot of fun. Just some stuff I've run across. Thought I'd just pass it along. Maybe it'll save you some time. Y'all have a good one.